Hello everybody and welcome to AZ Camera Reviews, and today I'm going to be talking about something that I really don't know that much about, but I ended up getting this for my wife. She wanted this micro needle instrument. I don't know a heck of a lot about it, but all I know is what she told me and how it works. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what's in the box, and I'm going to try to explain what this thing is all about. So when you first open up the box is magnetic, so it opens up like this. And the first thing you see in here is the micro needler. And this micro needler, it comes in a plastic bag. And basically what it is it's this nice little device right here, and it's got an on and off switch right here in the base, and I think it's got 3 speeds. So let's see, let's press the first one on, and the first one is blue, and it's kind of vibrating. And then there's a green, and then there's a red, which I guess is high, and then you hold it and it turns off. Now on the top right here, there's this twisty thing, okay, and that probably sets your needle heights, okay? And then I'm going to show you now inside the box, there's a bunch of different size needles. So when you take this out of the box, okay, there's this top piece. You pull this up and out, and this is where you can store the handle in. And then underneath here, a bunch of stuff. You see, there's a lot of stuff in there. There's a book that explains how to do this micro needling thing. And then there's a whole bunch of micro needles, okay? So let's see, I'll talk about those in a minute. And then there's a charging cord, which is a USB mini to regular USB type A. And then there's all these different types of needles. Now, it comes with 10 number 36s, 10 number 12s, and 4 nanos. Now, what it is you'll see here, take a look at this photo I took of the back of this. On the back side of it, there's number 9, which is the biggest, number 12, which is next to the biggest, then there's a 24, then there's the 36, which seems to be kind of in the middle, which is what's included in this set. Then there's a 42, there's an 18, and there's 2 different types of nanos. So that's what's in these bags. So then what you need to do is you need to take one of these and you need to screw it into the top of this. Now I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to show you how it's done when we go back to the lab and my wife uses it. But something she told me that you should do first is you need to clean your face first with like some sort of astringent that takes the dirt off your face and kind of would sterilize your face. Then the next thing you want to do is use like a collagen cream or some sort of face cream or something that you would want to micro needle into your face. Then the other way you can do it is if you put a face mask on, you can micro needle into the face mask. And like I said, on here there's different depths you can set the needles for. So I would probably say the lowest amount would be the lightest amount of micro needling, and then the highest would be the deepest micro needling. So what I would probably start off with, and common sense wise, is to use the lightest setting to start and use what's the most comfortable for you. Now the other thing is you should probably use caution on this and make sure you know what you're doing. So really, really read up on it beforehand. So now let's go back to the lab and see how it works. Okay, so we're here with Nisma and we're here in the lab. I call it the lab, but actually it's the bathroom. And we're gonna go through this microneedler and the processes that we're gonna have to do, and that's the microneedler there. And okay, so what are we gonna do first?
I have to wash my face first.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna wash your face first.
I have a little bit because that's why it's so hard for this like a cleanser. We usually have it do the cleanser.
Okay, so you're putting cleanser on your face first. Okay, so now that you have your face all nice and clean, you're going to blot it off, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's next?
And usually like this, if you have a like the serum or the cream and put on your face.
So you're going to be using this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you put the serum on your face.
And the next one, so we use this with, I use the number 36.
Okay, and the number 36 is for wrinkles, right?
Yes. So the first thing I have to put in first and tie up.
So you got to screw it on first.
Yes, tie.
Okay.
Tie. And we turn this on.
Okay.
So let me adjust a little bit for the needle because
Okay, what height are you going to use there?
I will use the letters 0.5 for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you just glide over your face, huh?
Mm-hmm. I use the low speed. They have the middle speed and high speed. They have a 3 level, but see, you can see it, needle is like a bump. See?
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
We will do about 10 or 15 minutes, and let's see after this. I will show you again about my face.
Okay, so you're gonna continue this, and we'll come back when you're finished.
Yes.
Okay, and now Nisma, you're finished now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we gonna do next?
So for next one, let me turn it up first. So for next one, you can use it like the cream, it like night cream, all kind of stuff, or you have to use the serum before after.
You could use the same serum that you
Yes.
started with and put that on.
Yes.
Or what else can you do?
It like a night cream, all kind of stuff you can use that. But today I will try to use this one.
Okay, what is that?
This is a winkle. It like the, they call it electric call mask.
It's a mask.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me open first. This from Korea. Yes, this from Korea. You can see the Korea stuff. Can you tell me what they say, Jeff?
No, I don't read Korean. It's not one of my
you have so many
languages.
friends from Korea.
I had a Korea as a cameraman. Okay, so now you're unfolding the mask.
Exactly. This is the mask. They have a 2 piece. You can do the like this, twice time.
You can use it 2 times. There's 2 pieces there.
Yeah. No, we can save for the next time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you have to put that in a plastic bag inside the pouch, right?
Yes, we have a Ziploc for it.
Put in the Ziploc.
Let me put it back and use this one.
Oh! You look like a Mexican wrestler. Macho Libre. Okay, now how long are you going to leave that on for?
About 15 minutes.
Okay. Well, now you're just smoothing that on, and I guess we'll be back in 15 minutes to check with you and see how it looks. Smells nice. So now her face mask's been on a while, and we're going to peel it off and see what's underneath. Oh my God! Well, your skin looks smooth. It's not blotchy. I mean, it's blotchy, but you don't see the needle marks. And you started at a pretty shallow depth. So what do you think? How do you think your face feels?
It's less smooth, but they say you have to do it like twice per week.
Twice per week?
Yes.
How did it make your face feel? Did it sting? Does it make your face feel fresh? How does it make your face feel when you're doing it?
I feel like my face is like smooth.
No, but how did it make your face feel while you were doing the needles? Did it feel like needles were going into your face, or what does it feel like?
Oh, you mean when I do the needle?
Yeah.
I little bit like this
Sticking?
sticks, when.
But it doesn't hurt.
No, because that depend on you, when you use, because they have the level
Yeah.
for the.
Depends on the level and how deep.
Yeah.
And what your pain threshold is. So, all in all, what do you think? Would you buy this product again?
Yeah, I like this product. I like this.
Okay. Well, let's go to the wrap up.
Bye.
So you've seen the demonstration of how this Pelcas microneedling system works. I think for the price, it seems to be a pretty good unit, but then again, I really don't know a lot about microneedling. It seems to be fairly well constructed. It's all metal, and the click stops on this are really exact in how they lock in. It says FDA on it, but I don't know how much stake I put in that. So until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please subscribe. Bye-bye.